Work out using the Bian Stone Buffy Gua Sha. First, use this textured edge on the neck before using the curved edge along the jawline up towards the ear. Repeat all of these steps 3 times, then flip that curved edge and use it to basically sculpt the cheekbones, moving from the base of the nose to the hairline. Then using this pinch side, we're going to go over the brow. This is amazing for any tension that might be stored in the brow, especially for headaches. There's another little pinched edge here on the other side. Use that from the bridge of the nose to the start of the brow, and follow that again with the textured edge from the brow line up to the hairline. Once completed, you are ready to repeat all of those steps on the other side of the face. Physically, the Bian stone carries more than 30 trace minerals and is known for detoxifying by speeding up the circulation and just ridding the body of any negative energy. Due to the detoxifying metaphysical properties of the Bian stone and the unique design of the Buffy Gua Sha, we love this tool for acupressure and lymphatic drainage, as well as these targeted treatments that we've shown you here today.